Crop production and management. You know that all organisms need food. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, for energy, to conduct various activities like respiration, excretion, etc. And where do we get food from? We get food from plants or from animals. And where do animals get food from? They get food from plants. What about plants? How do they get food? Yes, we know that plants are capable of making their own food by the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which all green plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as photosynthesis. Now, a long time back, the early people, they used to wander in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate raw fruits and vegetables, and they were hunting animals for food. Later, the same people, they started to settle down in a place and cultivate food, rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus, agriculture started. Now, along with growing food crops, they also started rearing animals. Now, when you are growing animals, you have to provide them with food, shelter. And this is called as animal husbandry. The branch of agriculture which deals with rearing of animals is called as animal husbandry. Now, what is the meaning of the term crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place in a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, wheat. When a crop of wheat means all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. Can you say another example for a crop? നെൽപ്പാടം അല്ലേ, വയൽ, അവിടെ എന്താ വിളയുക? നെല്ല്. Paddy fields where we grow rice. Now, as you know, India is a vast country. So, the climatic conditions will vary from one place to another place. Like in Kashmir, it will be very cold, while in Rajasthan, it will be very hot and dry, while in Kerala and Kanyakumari, it will be a very mild climate. So, we can grow a rich variety of crops in different parts of our country. Based on the season in which crops are grown, they can be divided into two types, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Now, Kharif crops, the crops which are grown in the rainy season, they are called as Kharif crops. And when is the rainy season in India? It is from June to September. From June to September, it will be raining heavily in India, and that is when the crops are grown. What crops are grown? Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, etc. are grown during the rainy season, and they are called as the Kharif crops. Now, Rabi crops. The crops which are grown in the winter season, they are called as the Rabi crops. Now, they are grown during October to March. And the crops that are grown are wheat, gram, pea, mustard, etc. In addition to this, there are some crops which are cultivated in the summer season, usually vegetables and pulses. We have already studied about crop and the different cropping patterns based on the seasons in which the crops are grown. So, what is a crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated in one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Now, do you think a farmer just grabs a handful of seeds, digs a hole, throws the seed into it, and pours some water, and after a few months he gets a good yield or harvest? No, that is not what happens. There are many steps that are involved before a farmer can get a good harvest. Now, these various steps or activities are referred to as agricultural practices. And we are going to study about the various agricultural practices one by one. First comes preparation of soil, sowing, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, threshing, and storage. So, what are the various agricultural practices? Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, threshing, and storage. So, first let us see about preparation of soil.